Today we are doing London to Beachy Head because I've never been there before. We're just leaving Bromley now, got a bunch of A-roads to do, and there actually isn't very much off-road tracks between here and Beachy Head. Basically got not much at all, it's all country lanes and stuff until you get to the Cuckoo Trail, which looks like about 20 kilometres of off-road trail. Like cycle trail, I think it's another old railway that we're going to look at. I've never used it before, so that'll be fun. So yeah, going to go look at some more cliffs and then to Eastbourne to get the train home. So let's see how it goes. Couldn't have picked a better day, really. What a week we've had. Sounds like it's the next week's gonna be a bit shitty, but this one's been incredible.
There's nothing better. There's nothing better than this.
Not sure if I've gone past the M25 or not yet. This might lead up to it, actually, this hill. Southbrook Lane. If I remember, this is quite a steady but long hill, if I remember correctly. So yeah, summer plans. I've got a couple of big rides planned this year. I have 3, but it's gone down to 2 because I need more training and experience for the third one. We'll get to that. So the first one is I want to do the whole South Downs Way in one hit. I'm probably going to do that quite soon, actually. But the second one is London to Land's End, and that is actually planned for 2 weeks time. So I've got the time off work. I figured now that the weather's nicer, now's the time. So I've got a 8-day route planned. It's going to be nice and chill. One of the things I learned from last year's bikepacking escapades was that 120 to 125k days back to back is not fun. So this one, I think the biggest day on this route is 90k, where they average about 70. So it's much more chill, going to have much more time to relax. My legs aren't going to be completely destroyed after the first day. So yeah, I'm going to see how that goes. Right now I'm just working out what I'm going to take with me, bag set up, all that crap. So the other big one I was going to do this year was the GB Divide, which is John O'Groats to Land's End off-road. That's a super spicy one. It's going to take like 20 days, 25 days, something like that, maybe more. But I just need more experience bikepacking long distances over multiple days, because right now I've only done overnighters. So we'll see how this London to Land's End trip goes, apply the learnings from that, and maybe do the GB Divide next year. Find some more routes around the country to do this year that are roughly, you know, 3 to 8 days. Yeah, hopefully there's a nice view at the top of this hill. Let's see. Heather Castle. I'm not sure where I am. It just says road on my GPS. I think I'm past Sevenoaks, going south towards the next major town. This is a part of England I don't understand. There's no off-road trails, there's just country lanes and A roads. There's like basically no gravel or MTB or anything. Cheers. Not a bad place to stop. Some food, some drink, and carry on. We're about 40k in. It's been nice so far. It's just a shame there's not more off-road trails. But I mean, there's plenty of views like this all over the place. So yeah, happy. It's an absolute scorcher. Must be like 25, 28 degrees. Unheard of. After such a long and miserable winter and spring, this feels like going to the Bahamas. Of course, there is thunderstorms and rain coming next week, which is why I've done so much training and cycling this week. I'm on a side road, so you can actually see the country now instead of being surrounded by hedges and tree rows on the main roads. It's such a waste. I can't believe it. It's so beautiful around here, but you never get to see it. Look at this. Gravel does exist. I found some. It's actually quite tiring. All the hills around here, you're either going down or you're going up. It's not really many flat bits. It's almost like doing the South Downs Way but on roads. Look, we're off road. So we're about just over 60k in now. I'm expecting to hit the Cuckoo Trail any second. This may even be the beginning of it, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm glad I planned lots of convenience store detours on this route because I've got through so much water. I've been able to restock, so it's all good. Alright, let's see where this goes. Found it. Right, let's join it. It should be chill all the way to near the coast. and I just got to get up past the South Downs. That's going to be a horrible climb. It's like 18%, and I've got no legs left, so yeah, let's see how that goes. Oh yeah, this is pretty sweet. Direct line to the coast almost. Yeah, so far this trail is awesome. It's a slight downhill all the way, so you barely have to pedal. It's probably not as much fun coming the other way. Yeah, it's cool. Benches everywhere, chill vibes, loads of people just out riding their bikes or going for a walk. Yeah, great. I don't know how I haven't been on here before. Hello. Just come off the Cuckoo Trail at Helsham. So now we just got to get over the South Downs and into the Eastbourne area and then up to Beachy Head. So it's like another 25k I think. And it's going to be brutal. Like 18% brutal. I just had some more food and drink, so feeling a little bit more strength. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Turns out there's more Cuckoo Trail. It was just a little diversion. I'm happy with it. This trail's been fantastic. I recommend everyone who's coming this way should use it. A27, which means the South Downs are very close now. Can't see them yet, but I know they're right there. Let's see. I don't know if you can read that. We're going up Butts Lane. Amazing. Here we go. I'm already knackered. I don't even know how much further there is to go, but I don't know how much you can see, but we're quite high up already. There was a really steep bit at the start, now it's mellowed out a little bit to like 10% maybe. Hopefully go up again in a minute. Alright, see you at the top. Made it. That was hard work. It started off steep, it was mellow, and steep again at the end. Oh. Nothing a bit of Star Mix can't fix. Alright, now we just got to make our way to Beachy Head. I don't know how much more climbing there is on the South Downs way. We'll see. Eastbourne, baby! Nearly there. Nearly. I think this is it. There is a lighthouse right there. And the land just does kind of just stop there. So I think that's a cliff, mate. Sweet. Yeah. Somehow, never been here before. I don't think I've even driven past it on the road. We're going to go and have a closer look, see how close you can get to the edge before my vertigo kicks in. Yeah, look at this. Cool, let's have a closer look. Made it. It's pretty terrifying actually. You can just walk straight up to the edge. And yeah, my vertigo starts kicking in around about now. That is a long way down. But yeah, it's pretty incredible up here. Now then, pub, and then Eastbourne for a train.